Hello, my name is Joanna Pinero, and I'll be speaking about Lamar University today. So Lamar University is located in Beaumont, Texas. It is a public school. Their school colors are white and red. Their mascot is a cardinal, which is a type of bird. Their school size is 292 acres and is an urban school. The majors include arts and sciences, biology, chemistry and biochemistry, computer sciences, general studies, history, mathematics, nursing, physics, and criminal justice. There are, of course, more majors in this, but these are the main majors. Minors are actually just smaller versions of the majors, or like parts of the majors. Like, for example, if you want to go into criminal justice, the minor will be a minor in evidence. Or like if you want to be a nurse, a minor would be the human body, physical therapy, something like that. So tuition and fees. In-state is $8,000. Out-of-state is $17,362. These fees do include room and board, books, and meal plans. Financial aid percentage offers is about 30%. Two scholarships offered are incoming freshman college scholarships and top schools the program. Two grants offered is the Texas grant for veteran. Texas grant and the veteran grant. The veteran grant either can be you being a veteran and then coming into the school, or it can be a parent was or a family member was a veteran. Okay. Admissions requirements. You need to have a 2.5 or above in GPA. No GRE is required, which is another standardized test. Because ACT or SAT is fine. If you graduate in the top 25% or lower, like top 10, top 5, there's no minimum requirement for the SAT or ACT. Admissions essays and questions will change every year and will be provided to you as you apply. Recommendation letters, you need to fill out this form so that the college can say and waive it and see this is a good person for you to get recommended from or not. Selectivity and acceptance rate. Their acceptance rate is actually 79.1%, and their selectivity they have different races in the school, so they have different events for that. Like they have El Dia de los Muertos for Hispanic people, and they have LGBT plus community events that you can go, and it's really cool. Campus life, athletics, clubs, and events. They have a lot of athletics with the different sports, and they have clubs and so it's basically so everybody can feel welcome into that school. And they have events, like they have events for like I said, races. They have events for cultural backgrounds. They have events for the LGBT community. Clubs differ from like the chess club, the dance team is also part of like a club. In athletics, they have like basketball, football, stuff like that. School tradition and interesting fact about Lamar. So tradition is the alma mater song is sung in any commencement ceremony, and the fun fact is a Lamar professor actually wrote the song, and it was composed in music from 1945 to 1951, and that senior class of 1951 that graduated actually got to use that when they graduated. That is my presentation. Thank you.